Hey, egg, pizza, and you. Hope you guys are all having a good day. I want to open this off by saying that I, as your teacher, really miss having you guys in class. I miss your energy, I miss your enthusiasm, and I miss everything you bring to the table and everything that you've taught me. But I hope you all are staying safe, staying smart, and staying healthy at home. And I hope that this distance learning exercise that we do together can allow us to continue to build community and grow and learn together. Um, what I put together for you guys is hopefully something that's going to be pretty fun and engaging for you guys at home. Gets you to go outside, gets you to go do some fun stuff, and gets you to really think about agriculture in a more applied setting since we're obviously not in a classroom and we're out in the world. So, here we have your distance learning assignment. So, how this is going to work is it's basically kind of set up like a card, and you don't have to make it like a bingo arrangement. It doesn't have to be diagonal or across or up or down. Don't have to do four corners. Your job is just to pick a variety of activities each week to get you up to 20 points. So I have tons and tons of things on here, whether it be a 10-point activity like photosynthesis with Bob the botanist, or a 30-point activity like the FFA Creed emoji project. You get choice in picking what you want to do, but you got to get up to 20 points a week. Okay? If you want to be ambitious and you want to either get extra credit or work ahead, that is why I have 30-point activities here. These activities generally require a little bit more work and more knowledge and more research on your end, but you don't have to do as many projects for me then. So you can pick, if for example we're out for 2 weeks, that would mean that you would need to do 40 points of distance learning on this card. So you could do 4 10-point activities, 2 20-point activities, a 10-point activity, and a 30-point activity, or any combination to get you to 40 points. Okay, does that make sense? So hopefully this is kind of a fun way for you to check out agriculture in a different variety of ways. As we know, the rest of the class is focused on pizza and you, so I try to incorporate some food science activities in here as best as I could. I know that our resources, wherever we're at, are maybe a little bit more limited than at school, so I wasn't able to do like the beef jerky lab or some of the other things that we would traditionally do in a classroom setting, but hopefully this gives you some inspiration for different things that you could be doing at home. Okay. So the thing to note here is anything with an asterisk, like I'm trying to find an example right here, create a quiz or pet diet plan or dream pet. These are all assignments that don't require you to have any internet access at home. Okay. So I want to make sure that you guys have enough resources to complete these activities. So if you don't have internet at home or you don't have a computer at home, that's okay. You can just go ahead and complete the activities with an asterisk. Okay, or maybe if you have a way to go and get internet for a day or two, then maybe you save some of those online activities and do those when you have internet for a day or two. Okay. How this is going to work too is all of these assignments are going to be due by May 15th or within 1 week of returning to school. Okay, so obviously I don't know how long or if we're going to be gone. So I want to make sure that you have enough time to complete these activities. And again, each week is worth 20 points. So if we are out for 2 weeks, it's 40 points is due to me. If we're out for 4 weeks, 80 points are due to me. If that doesn't make sense, please don't hesitate to send me an email or give me a call. If you don't have resources to complete a lab, let's say for example, you don't have, I don't know, paper, like poster paper and color pencils or crayons or markers for the magazine cover assignment, or let's say that you don't have an envelope for the thank you letter assignment. I'm more than willing to provide you with those resources, but you got to communicate with me and you got to let me know, and that's how I'll be able to help you. Okay? So if you have questions, comments, or concerns, I have my contact information up here. Again, I really miss you guys. I hope you guys are being smart and being healthy, being safe. Go outside, okay? Don't just be cooped up inside. Go outside if you're safe and you're healthy, okay? Go get some fresh air. Go maybe do some planting outside if you have some seeds or you want to start a garden. Like you can start your plants in your house. It's kind of a fun little egg activity. And if you're ever bored or looking for things to do related to agriculture, I'd be more than happy to send you more links, resources, or activities for you to do at home. Okay, so use this as a learning time, use this as a fun time. Okay, but just remember to be safe and be smart. Miss you guys. Hope you guys are being good. Keep up the great work. I am so excited to see all of the incredible things that you guys come up with in your distance learning. Have a great rest of your day.